Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Birds flying high.
What's going on, P Nation? Hope you guys are all doing fabulous. So I got up early this morning. It's going to be a snowboarding day, and my first meal you guys saw were the grapes. I always like starting with lemon water and grapes. The grapes are super hydrating after you've been sleeping all night, so I just love waking up to some grapes. Now, with snowboarding, I'm going to be bringing a lot of bananas with me on the trip, as well as some walnuts. But I want to show you guys the next meal that I'm having. This one is one of the main meals because this is what's going to fuel me for the day for snowboarding. And I'm making my own protein shake. So I'm going to show you what I'm putting in it. And with snowboarding, you can easily, a day of snowboarding, easily burn 1,000 calories. And I don't track calories, but just to give you an idea of how much you work out when you snowboard, it is a whole full body workout, and you're using a lot of your core muscles. And so I really want to have a lot of energy to sustain me throughout the day. And I usually have one main meal, go snowboarding, and then usually have, maybe I can eat throughout that, but usually I don't take any breaks. I just go full snowboarding throughout the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 3 bananas. And these, I usually like to have frozen bananas, but I don't have any frozen bananas right now, so we're just using these ones. And then I'm going to be taking the rest of the bananas on the road, and that will keep me fueled up. So guys, berries, this is the fuel I have every single day. Berries, they're full of antioxidants, and it's really good brain food, really good brain power, really good for all your glands. So I love getting berries in, especially strawberries. They're one of my favorites. So I'm gonna load that up. Next, this is where I'm getting some of my protein and iron. So I'm gonna put in a lot of spinach. So I don't know, I guess that's like 2 big handfuls of spinach. And then what we're gonna do is, I have some fresh squeezed orange juice. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's nothing like, if you can get a juicer and just squeeze oranges, it is so good. Super, super good. Okay, next, this is one of my secrets. This is where I get protein, hemp seeds. So this is jam-packed with minerals, you guys. We're talking about magnesium, zinc, B6, iron. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna put in a lot of hemp seeds. I don't even know how much that would be. Get some more. I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna say like 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds. So it's a lot. You don't have to go that extreme, but I'm gonna be really working out hard today. And pumpkin seeds. So I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, not too crazy with the pumpkin seeds. And you guys know this is one of my favorites, almond butter raw. I don't go too crazy with the butters, with the nuts, but I do like me some almond butter. So I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of almond butter. There we go. Super good. Super, super good. Next, alfalfa grass. You don't need this, but I feel like it really gives me that extra boost when I'm working out. So alfalfa, I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of alfalfa. And it's all about the greens, you guys. When you are working out, when I'm just fully cleansing, I go to the fruit. But for working out, I totally go for the greens. And let's just pour this juice in. This is gonna be one big protein shake, but I gotta get it in before I work out. So here it goes. Show you guys what that looks like. Let's try it. Let's try it out here. I'm just classy like that, you guys. I'm just classy. That is so good, you guys. If you want to try this one yourself, go for it. I feel like the spinach and the berry blend, like with the fruit, it's perfect. Drink this, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm gonna take you guys snowboarding with me. Stay tuned. Got my pineapple bag.
Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. Birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life for me, yeah. It's a new life for me.
Maybe if the stars align, maybe if our worlds collide, maybe on the dark side we could be together, maybe in a million miles on a highway through the skies. Someday, soon we'll be together.
All right, guys, so that was such a fun day. This is on the way home. Sorry, the lighting isn't too good and the audio wasn't that good either. But I did have a whole bag of apples. I had about 7 bananas, and then I had some red pepper hummus with some seed crackers. So I'll maybe show that in another video, just because the lighting isn't too good here. And this was just on the way home, so it was super late. So we are home now, and I'm going to finish the day off with this salad. This expires December 30th, so I really got to eat this salad up. And for the dressing, I'm going to just be really simple here, you guys. Just use avocado, pepper, and these cherry tomatoes. So we're going to blend that up. And this will be my last meal. I am really feeling it after snowboarding, so we're probably going to do a juice tomorrow. And I bailed pretty good on my shoulder doing that diamond run. So we're going to heal up. What better way to heal up than with a green juice? So we'll do that tomorrow with some fruit, and we'll be good to go. So this is what it looks like. It's not the best what I eat in a day, but thought I would share it with you guys anyways. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys are doing well. And as always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be doing something that you enjoy today. Cheers.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give